Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making a stew, tomato stew today. So the first item you just saw was ginger, and then garlic, and then onions, and then fresh parsley and basil. So right now I am just grating the ginger, and then alongside with the garlic. Boy, boy, I gotta say, it takes me a long time to do this gravy thing. My goodness, I was so tired as I was there doing this thing. Takes me a lot of time, and I'm tired. So I was just thinking all kind of thing, like what are the other way to do garlic and ginger without you stressing yourself. So right now I'm just slicing the onions without you stressing yourself. So I was just thinking while I was cooking, and at the end of the day I came up with a very good idea. So that's parsley and basil fresh. So I came up with a good idea that will be on my next video. So I just want you guys to know the story behind what I did. Like before I cook, I always grate my ginger and garlic, and it always takes me a long time. So today is going to be spaghetti and stew. So that's the spaghetti that I will be cooking today. The water is boiling right now and the stove is still on, and I'm just gonna boil the spaghetti for like 10 minutes. I mean, until it's well tender enough. So yeah, on my next video y'all gonna see that's olive oil that I'm just pouring into my cooking pot. Yeah, olive oil, and I'm gonna add some more. It's extra veggie olive oil from Costco. So I'm just gonna add some more olive oil to it, and yeah, start cooking the stew for my spaghetti. um yeah, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead with my ginger and garlic mixed together. Just put that in my pot just to coat the oil, and then yeah, after that I will go ahead and add my onions, and that's my shrimp. So I'll go ahead and add my onions. So today I'm just going to be using shrimp for this spaghetti sauce that I will be making today. Yeah, so I'm just adding my shrimp so that the shrimp and the garlic and ginger and all onion can cook together with the shrimp. So while I'm still doing it, I'm still looking at my spaghetti, checking up on it, making sure that it's not overcooked. So yeah, while I let the shrimp cook there. So my shrimp is fully cooked. I'm gonna be using organic tomato sauce, tomatoes, herbs, and spice. I got this from Costco. Boy, I love this classical tomato sauce. Boy, I love it. I mean, you can literally just pour it into your pan without no oil, onions, garlic, and ginger whatsoever, because it already has its own spice. But I just love my food seasoning. So I love a lot of seasoning, so that's why I have to go extra mile to do the garlic, ginger, and all the stuff. So I'm just adding my pepper. Yeah. There you go, red pepper, crushed red pepper that I got from Shoppers. It's really spicy, and I really like it. Yeah, so you're gonna see my next video. You're gonna see what I did different. That is just Maggi for seasoning. So chicken or Maggi, seasoning, chicken seasoning. You can call it chicken seasoning. I just put 1 teaspoon of seasoning. Boy, that tomato sauce is really delicious. Like once you add all these fewer ingredients to it, man, you're gonna love it. So right now I'm gonna be adding organic baby spinach to my spaghetti sauce that I made. Like this was the bomb. So as soon as I add in my spinach, I turn off the stove, And now my food is ready. Now how beautiful is this? So as soon as I put on my spinach, I turn off the stove just to let the steam cook the spinach, because I didn't want to overcook the spinach. I still want it to be green, as you guys can see right here. So yeah, I really love this dish, and my husband love it. It was a good dish, like delicious. You can try it. You can try it. Spinach and shrimp and tomato sauce, spaghetti. This is really good. I really love it. I enjoy eating it. I'm telling you, I really enjoy eating it, and I enjoy having it. Thank you for watching, and see you guys again on my next video. Please like and subscribe.